Hey, it's John the Net Guy, and today I'm actually installing some window vent shades here. This is one of the best-selling versions for my Superduty pickup here. It's a great upgrade if you're looking to be able to open your window and not have a blast of air come in, and you want to be able to evacuate air, get some nice fresh air in the cab. Maybe if it's raining, you don't want rain to come in, but you still want some of that air. You can lower your vent down a little bit. Now, these ones that I have here fit inside the window track, so the installation's a little bit different. The other models fit on the outside of the window usually. This one's gonna fit inside, so it takes a little bit of special installation, but let's go ahead and open it up and we'll see what we get. Now, these are super flexible and super durable, but you still don't wanna scratch them and you don't wanna break them here. There is instructions in here, and there's also some alcohol wipes, including a QR code for the whole install video. So this one is marked L for left side of the vehicle, and you'll see that it's gonna fit in the back of the vehicle here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and roll the windows down a little bit so we have some room. Okay, this is where things get a little bit interesting. You're gonna use this tool as well as this clip, because we're gonna start on the back here. Now the instructions on the back are telling us that we need from 2 to 3 inches back here to pull down on the weather stripping a little bit, just so that we can put this clip, this spacer, to make sure that the window follows into the track and doesn't push against the plastic itself. So that's what they're trying to do here, is you're putting this spacer up and into the track here, whereas the vent visor is gonna go on the outside of it. So here we go, 2 to 3 inches back, put your tool up in here, pull down, add the spacer, and then slide it back up. Now when we put our vent visor back in the track, we're gonna go ahead and slide it on top of this clip. So this is the unit right here, and it's gonna slide up. Now, they say don't be afraid of bending it if you need to bend it to get it to fit in. So that's what it's gonna look like. Now, after I install this, I can't take the vent or open the window out for 72 hours because the adhesive's gonna adhere. So I just kind of test fit, it looks good. And that clip right here is in the right position. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and roll the window up to secure it. Now on the front, we're gonna go ahead and clean the channel here and make sure that all the dirt and grime are out. Now, to make sure that this piece right here always follows the right angle, one, I'm gonna set it in the window track first. But down here, I need to install a little tiny piece of metal that they include, and that's gonna keep this up and buffered away so that it doesn't fall in to the window. We're gonna add the adhesive on the top here, place it in this lower area. So where I place it here, it should engage behind this weather stripping strip. And it's just, again, to protect this from the edge sliding down on it. Now I'm gonna attach the front. Here we wanna, again, make sure it adheres very well onto this front edge, and then we're gonna roll the window up. There we go. So again, 72 hours before we can reopen this. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the process on the other side and we'll see what it looks like.